subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Galaxy A14 5G back in January this year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it in Malaysia with quite similar design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Galaxy A14 4G smartphone.
The Galaxy A14 4G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water-drop notch at the top center that carries an 13-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a vertically aligned triple camera setup at the top left corner that includes one 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and there is 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy A14 4G comes powered by unspecified octa-core 2 GHz processor, which is believed to be MediaTek Helio G80 chipset. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 6GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via a dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box with One UI 5.0 screen on top. Additionally, this smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.7 by 78 by 9.1 mm, and it weighs around 201 grams.
So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone.
Unfortunately, the company haven't officially announced the pricing details of the smartphone, but it is reportedly available in some selected offline stores at a price of 826 Malaysian ringgits. And it will be seen in black, silver, and dark red color options.
So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A14 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.